It's got the look of a cinnamon roll, but the spicy, molassy flavor of a gingerbread sticky bun. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes is here with the recipe. She's been making us hungry all morning long, and the time has finally come. First of all, great to see you.
Thank you.
That's really pretty. Like it's a pretty recipe.
It is really pretty, but the thing about it I love is that it's really simple.
Good.
Okay, this month gets way too complicated for me, so
Yes.
we need to make it simple.
Yes.
So what we've done is, if you really want to go really simple, you can use the Anytime cinnamon rolls, and you can make it right in the pan that it comes, flip it over after it comes out of the oven. If you want to use Anytime, we've used the traditional. So we're going to mix the sticky part that's going to go on the bottom of this. We're just going to spray. You can do a round one, you can do a square one, whatever you want to do. It only uses 6 of the cinnamon rolls, the traditional cinnamon rolls, or the whole package of the Anytime.
Okay.
So when you get to molasses, I always think, my goodness. But if you spray when you're measuring the inside of your measuring cup.
I've heard that tip. Okay, does it work?
And I forgot to do it, but I'm going to try it next time. I'm just being honest.
Does it work? And she's like, I don't know.
I've heard that it does.
Yeah.
I sprayed my spatula. How's
there you go. That
to
counts.
Get it out.
That counts.
Does that count?
Yep.
And the brown sugar. And then the mixture here is our ginger and our nutmeg.
Is this our topping? Or what is
this? This is going to go in the bottom.
Oh, on the
of this.
bottom. You said that. Okay.
And this is going to be this mixture, and then we're going to add our butter to it.
Okay.
And then vanilla.
So it's kind of like a crust type.
It was sticky. We want it to be sticky.
Okay.
And what I found when I did this is, with the Anytime, the recipe that's on our website, it's the right amount of sticky for the Anytime rolls. When I used the traditional, I doubled the sticky.
Okay.
But I wanted it more sticky.
More sticky.
And on top of it is, you've got your frosting that comes right with the rolls. So if you want it more glazed, you could put this in the microwave and glaze it more. Maybe top it with a little bit of nutmeg
instead of the frosting line.
Or you can do the frosting, whichever you want to do. So we just mix this together.
Did you say add nutmeg to the glaze?
Well,
is that what you said?
I like
that.
to.
That sounds yummy.
Thank you.
I'll be trying that.
I have tried that one. If I didn't do the spray part, I have tried that
I'll
one.
be trying that too. That sounds really...
And then we're just going to put this in the bottom of this pan that we have sprayed. So if you notice to the right, by you, Brooke, we have our cute frosty dough men.
Look at these dough men.
Yes.
There you go.
So if you want to watch those made, you can go to our Instagram, and we're going to do a live Instagram that you can go to, and you can watch that made.
Grandma's Hello, a great grandkid project.
And and there again, we're just going with the cinnamon rolls. You could do those with the traditional, or you could do it with the Anytime. The Anytime, you would put them together, and then it would be right ready to go in the oven. So totally up to you. And the decorating is simple with the kohl for the eyes and the slices for the nose.
I will be watching to learn how to do the hat, though. That looks really fun.
Isn't that fun?
Okay, the gooey sticky is on the bottom.
It is. And then we're just going to add arranged 6 of our traditional cinnamon rolls.
That doesn't feel like very many, but they'll
rise
right?
up. It's so crazy how they do that. And I kept watching. I counted right?
Yeah,
6. We got 6 there.
You got it.
So I would cover it with plastic wrap that's been sprayed. Let that rise till it's double in size. Bake it 350. Goes about 20 to 25 minutes. While it's still hot, I want you to take it out, and I want you to flip it over on the plate.
I was going to ask how the glaze got to the top. Sorry.
That's how.
Yes.
You flip it over, and that's how you're going to get your glaze right on the top, the sticky part.
I literally, did you see my brain thinking through my eyes? I was staring at the recipe and looking at you like, Heidi, the glaze is on top.
I know.
We flip it, and then we frost it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this.
So really simple, and you can go to rhodesbaconserve.com.
Okay.
Find this recipe along with other fun Christmas ideas that you can. Gingerbread sticky buns.
Love it. I will be making these at our house.
I know.
Thank you so much. Heidi mentioned the website. Make that one of your go-to recipes for your holiday baking and making. We'll link you there from our website, studio5.ksl.com. We'll post a link to the Instagram too, so you can see how those cute little dough men are made. So many fun things you can do with that convenient frozen dough this time of year. Heidi, thanks again.